Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see. So in this video, I just going to show how to convert your Google Docs document private to public. So we just going to change to private to public, and also the document can be edited by the viewers. So these are the another option, because if you are sharing a document with your team, so they want to edit, and I just going to show the little bit tips about the sharing, the changing the to public. There is a small hint in there. So first of all, you just need to click on the share option here. You can see it's on private and it's only can view by me. So just click here. So here you can see people with access is only me, and there is a gender access, it has been restricted. You just change to anyone with the link. So the hint or the tips here was it's on the role of viewer. So which means if you copy the link and share the link, they can only view but they can't edit the document. Your team can't edit the document. You just want to change the role to the editor. So it's updating. Now copy the link and share the link in for your team, so they can make a changes, or they can make a edit. They can easily edit the document, entire document. So they can change any words or any sentence or any paragraph in the document. If you keep the role in the viewers, they can't edit. They just simply they can only view. So these are the hint that you just want to know on the Google Docs while sharing the document. So I think this video will help you to make this possible to share the document with your friends with as a editable. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, follow this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.